Alright, I've tried to record this about 6 times already, and it keeps screwing up. Let's see if this will work. I wanted to do a video announcement because I didn't want to have to try to type all this out. The only bad thing about canceling class today is that we didn't get to talk about special occasion speeches, which were technically supposed to be Monday when we come back. So I'm going to change that, but it's going to mean we've got 3 days, we got 4 days left of class, which is going to mean the last 3 are speech, speech, speech. So, Monday when we come back, we will talk about special occasion, which I'm going to talk a little bit about now, career speech and all that, kind of wrap all that up on Monday. Wednesday we'll do special occasion, and then the last 2 days of class will be the career speeches. So let me just give you a little bit of information about those. One, the special occasion speeches are really easy. They're only 2 to 3 minutes, and I put guidelines for all 4 types in the announcement that should be underneath this video announcement. So once you watch this, just go to the next announcement below, and it should tell you all of the required steps for speech of introduction, presenting an award, accepting an award, and a commemorative speech. You just pick which one of those 4 you want to do and write it. There's no research, nothing. It is manuscript, meaning it's written out word for word, and then you have to practice it enough that you're not reading it to us but still talking to us. If you want to work with a partner and one person present the award and the other person accept the award, that's great. You just each have your own 2 to 3 minute time requirement. You can accept an award without a speech or presentation. You know, you can, however you want to do it. Be creative. What I'm looking for is that you follow the appropriate steps for each type, and that you have your manuscript written word for word, but practice it enough that you can still look up from it and talk to us and engage us. Okay? So we'll go over that again on Monday. I'll answer any questions, but these should be fun. And 2 to 3 minutes, we'll knock them all out on Wednesday. Okay? Then your last speech of the semester is the career speech. Now this is where you're going to do research into the career that you are going into or that you think you're going into. And if you have no idea, just pick something you're interested in and do that. There are guidelines in the assignments tab. There's a little description. The idea for this one is that it's more of an independent thing, so I'm not going to look at outlines. I'm not going to answer a lot of questions. I will answer questions about the assignment and things like that, but I kind of want you to work on this one on your own. But it is an informative speech. Same kind of guidelines. I'm just giving you a very, very specific topic. Okay? So you need to start doing some research on that because you do have to have support materials and citations and all of that. We'll talk about the assignment in a little bit more detail on Monday the 1st when we come back. I just wanted to make sure you guys had those in your head, because it's not a lot of time to put them together if you're not thinking about it at all until the 1st. So what you need to do between now and when we come back on Monday is you could pick a special occasion speech. You could do that in an hour and be done with it. And then you've just got plenty of time to practice. And then the career speech, I would start doing some research, okay, and at least get that part put together. Sorry to dump all this on you in a video announcement, but that's what happens when we didn't have class today, because this is what we would have been doing in class today. So, if you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't done your journal entry on your persuasive speech, do that. If you're going to do the extra credit paper on the persuasive speech, which you thought was the least effective and the most effective, excluding yourself, because you're going to write about yourself in your journal, you need to either email that to me or bring a typed copy of it to class on the 1st. All right, so journal, extra credit if you want it, work on special occasion, start research for career. I think that's it. Hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys on Monday when we get back.